Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome. So in my last video you saw an afternoon with my mother, and we went for a haircut for her, and then we went to get her new shoes. So we're going to show you the shoes that she got and I got. So Barbara, do you want to open your shoes first and show your shoes? Okay, so Barbara got these indigo blue Ugg slippers, but you can wear them outside. So she has a pair in black, and unfortunately with her edema, it's been impossible to get her in her old shoes. And there were other shoes that I bought her like 2 years ago before she broke her hip for the second time and ended up in the nursing home. The edema got really bad. So those don't fit her, even though she's lost, a bunch of weight and some of the water weight. But so we felt that the only shoes that really were fitting her well were those Uggs and then her sneakers. So got her, she has the Uggs in black, so we got her these in indigo blue. I don't know if the color's showing up so well, but it's really pretty. They actually didn't carry this color, but I found it online and they ordered it for us. So so I think that's nice. She'll have blue and black to get her through the winter, and they are lined, which is nice and warm. Okay, so those are yours. So take those away. Don't put them on the table because that's bad luck. Okay, and then I got this pair of shoes from Bussola. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Bussola. I saw these in the store and I loved the color, and I have a pair in a similar color from Vionics, which are like my favorite shoes, but unfortunately they have kind of seen better days, and they're a little stretched out, so it makes it a little bit hard to walk long distance in them, and I do a lot of walking. So let me see how I get this out. I can't seem to get them out. Oh, here we go. Okay, so here they are. They're an olive green. Can you see? I don't know if they're showing up that well. They're an olive green suede, and then they have this kind of like patent around it, which I wasn't like 100% sold on that feature. I did try these on, and then I didn't get them, and then when she was getting her shoes, I went back, and then I decided that I did really like them. They're very comfortable, and they're a good replacement for the similar color that I have. So I'm hoping that these will work out, and again, I do love the color.
They're very nice.
Yeah. And then I got one last pair. Can you hold this for a second?
Sure.
I got a new pair of Ugg boots for winter. I hate the cold weather, and I hate snow, except on Christmas. So in order to get through the winter, I need like pretty things. I need pretty coats. I need pretty, gloves. I need pretty hats. I need pretty boots, just to kind of make me feel better when I put all that stuff on. And I got these in aqua, the short boots. Yeah, aren't they pretty?
Beautiful.
So I got the short boots in aqua. So I'm very excited about that. I think it'll look great with black and navy, jeans, all kinds of dark colors. Yeah. I love Uggs. I pretty much wear them every single day. Even in the summer, I wear my black Uggs when I go to feed my feral cats in a dirty, filthy, disgusting alley. So I'm always wearing Uggs, and I do kind of go through them quickly. But anyway, very excited about that. So those are the shoes that we got, and thank you for watching. Tell us which are your favorites.